Got chainsaws. I cut wood and shit.
Got some pork steaks. I'm still thinking about how Eli would freak out all the spiders that we got down here. Look at that one. That one's going. You just flip them?
Yeah, I just flipped them. That one had the flame.
Those nice growth. You can tell that one had the flame kissing it. Starting to look real good.
Let's see. This one here. They might be able to go another minute.
They might just be got a bad case of the char from this.
Yeah, man, we need to pull them out. Them are done.
Yep,
The two on the ends are anyway.
Look at that. Oh man, too bad you guys can't smell. You can't get the look of these or the color of these or the taste of these at home. You just can't. Got the last guy on there, just another minute.
It's hot. Perfect though.